Junior 3, how are you today? Okay, today we will complete the revision sheet. Okay, last session we stopped in the page number 7. Okay, now we will start from page number 8. Okay, question number 25. We will choose from the we'll choose the correct answer. Which is the process which turns vapor to vapor? Junior 3, we said before we have three processes. Number 1, it's called evaporation. Evaporation which change the water to water vapor by heating. Number 2, it's called condensation when the water vapor changes to water again, but by cooling. Number 3, it's called precipitation when it rains as snow. So a process which turns water to vapor, it's called, yes, evaporation, from water to vapor. So evaporation to, it's called evaporation. Number 26, rib cage protects the, yes, we said skull protects the brain. Skull protects the brain, but the rib cage protects, yes, two lungs, heart and two lungs. 27, we use our tongue to, yes, the food. Yes, we taste the food. We use tongue to taste the food, but we use teeth to chew the food. Okay, Junior 3. Okay, 28, which converts water to vapor into vapor. When water changes to vapor, that's called evaporation. That's by heating. So heating. The process which turns water to vapor, yes, we said from water to water vapor by heating, is called evaporation. But the process which turns vapor to water is called, yes, from vapor to water is called condensation. After that, or live in the rainforest habitat. Yes, supers, monkeys, because polar bear live in the polar habitat, so monkeys live in the rainforest habitat. The peel in the nut peach is removed. The peel in the which peach is removed. Yes, in the processed we have two types: processed peach or fresh peach. The fresh peach, it has natural sugar. The peel, it has a lot of nutrients, but the processed peach, yes, it has extra sugar and the peel is removed, so lots of nutrients are lost. After that, there is vitamin which in the nuts. In nuts we have vitamin B. We have vitamin A in carrots, which is good for our eyes. We have vitamin B in nuts. We have vitamin C in the orange and guava. Okay, Junior 3. Okay, turn the page. Now we will complete by using the given words. We will write carbohydrates, protein, or fats. Okay, Junior 3. Number 1, the bread. Yes, bread. Yes, carbohydrates. Sorry for the written. Number 1, carbohydrates. Okay, so bread, carbohydrates. Okay, after that, the fish we meat with chicken is proteins. Yes. After that, the milk, yes, milk, fats. So bread, carbohydrates, bread, pasta, cereal, all of these carbohydrates. After that, eggs, chicken, meat, all of these proteins. After that, the fats like nuts, milk, cheese, butter, all of these. Okay. Okay. After that, here we have eggs. Eggs, yes, we said eggs are proteins. Bean, yes, also protein. Pasta, yes, carbohydrates. Okay, eggs, proteins, the bean proteins, pasta, carbohydrates. After that, the nuts, yes, fats. Oil, also fats. Cereal, yes, carbohydrate. Okay, junior 3, have you finished? Okay, after that, turn the page. We will complete from the box. We have in the box reps, fist, left, teeth, largest, saliva, rib cage, digestive system, contracts, unseen, two lungs. Number one, skin is the organ in our body. Yes, we said skin is the largest organ. Skin is the largest organ in our body. Skin consists of, yes, many layers. Skin consists of many layers, but we can see only the outer layer. And also, what is the function of skin? Number one, it makes our body temperature constant. Number two, yes, it's protect us from harmful germs and sun rays. Super Junior 3. And also we have in our bodies, we have substance. It's called melanin. Melanin. This melanin, it gives the skin its color. Gives the skin its color. So we will write skin is the largest. Number two, the heart lies behind what? Between the what? Slightly to the what? We talk about the heart. We said the heart is the strongest organ. The heart is the strongest organ in our body. Number two, heart is muscular organ. Muscular organ. Where is the heart? Yes, it lies behind the ribs, between two lungs, slightly to the left. So the heart behind ribs, between the two lungs, slightly to the left. Which breaks down the food, then it goes to our stomach. Yes, junior 3. Which breaks down the food? Yes, saliva. Saliva breaks down the food. Saliva in the mouth, it's a liquid that breaks down. What's the meaning of breaks down the food? That's mean change the food into small pieces. So which breaks down the food? Saliva. Okay, junior 3. Okay, number 4. It is a muscular organ in the size of, yes, it's a heart. It's a muscular organ in the size of your, yes, fist. So right fist. Number 5. We chew the food by using our, yes, teeth. We chew the food by using our teeth. Bones and muscles are seen or unseen, junior 3? Yes, unseen. We can't see it. So unseen. Which protects the lungs? Yes, super rib cage. Who helps us to digest the food? Yes, digest the food, so it digestive system. So digestive system help us to digest the food. Digestive system help us to digest the food. So right, digestive system. Okay, junior 3. Number 9. The heart, what? When it pumps the blood. Junior 3, we have two options. Number 1, when the heart is filled with blood, when it's uh, with its beak, so it is expand. When the heart fill with blood, when the heart become big, so I can say the heart expand. When the heart pump the blood to all the body, so I can say the heart contract. The heart contract. So the heart, what? When it pumps the blood, so the heart contract. Okay, junior 3, have you finished? Okay, turn the page. We have a box. We in the box we have milk, acidic juice, condensation, brain, digestive system, expand, processed. Which is the process which turned the vapor to water? We said from water to vapor is called, yes, evaporation by heating. From vapor to water is called, yes, condensation by cooling. So process which turns vapor to water is called, from vapor to water, condensation. Number 2, the dots peach has extra sugar. Yes, we have fresh peach processed peach. A fresh peach has natural sugar, but the processed peach has extra sugar. So we write processed. Number 3 is the liquid in the stomach. Junior 3, we said before, inside the stomach we have acidic juice that help in the digestion process. What is the meaning of digestion process? That's mean changing food into small pieces. Changing food into small pieces to make our body benefit. Okay, so we write in the stomach we have acidic juice. Okay, junior 3. Okay, number 4. The skull protect the, yes, we said skull protect the brain, but ribcage protects heart and lungs. So right, skull protect the brain. Which helps us to digest the food. Yes, I said before, when we see digest the food, it is digestive system. So right, digestive system. Digestive system help us to digest the food. Digestive system help us to digest the food. The heart, what? When it is filled with the blood. I said before, when the heart filled with blood, I can see the heart expands. But when the heart pumping the blood, the heart contracts. So the heart, what here? Filled with blood, so the heart expands. Okay. Drinking what is good for our bones and teeth? Yes, we be drinking milk. Junior 3, milk from minerals. We have two minerals, calcium, potassium. Calcium, potassium. Calcium is found in the milk. Calcium is found in the milk, cheese, yogurt. Milk, cheese, yogurt. But potassium, I can find the potassium in the, yes, banana and tomato. Banana and tomato. Okay, junior 3, have you finished? Okay, turn the page. we have box number 3, heart, melanin, system, energy, digestion, skeleton, unseen, sunscreen, taste. Number 1, which is a substance that gives the skin its color? Yes, we taken in the skin lesson, so we have melanin. Melanin is a substance that gives the skin its color. Number 2, our body consists of group of. Yes, our body consists group of systems. Like what, junior 3? Like a digestive system, respiratory system, yes, circulatory system. So our body consists of group of systems. Number 3, the food give us. Yes, when I explain the lesson, I give you an example. The car can move without fuel. No, so the fuel give the car energy. Also, junior 3, can you move or run or anything without food? No, so I can say the food, it's like the fuel in the car. The food give us energy. So the food give us energy. Number 4, eating carrots, it's good for our. Yes, carrots, it's good for our eyes. And also carrots containing, yes, vitamin A. Number 5, bones and muscles are, yes, unseen. Junior 3, bones and muscles are unseen, but skin is seen body part. Okay, we protect our skin by using, junior 3, we talk 2 ways to protect our skin. Number 1, to protect our skin by using sunscreen. Number 2, by avoiding exposing it too long to harmful sun rays. So number 6, we will write sunscreen. Number 7, bones make up the. Yes, our body contains a lot of bones. When they are collected together, they make the skeleton. Which is the process that changes the food into small pieces. Yes, I said to change the food into small pieces. Yes, it's happen. What will happen inside our body? Digestion process. So digestion means change the food into small pieces. Number 9, we use our tongue to, yes, taste the food. Okay, junior 3. Okay, junior 3, let's complete. Which are consists of living organisms and non-living organisms. Yes, that's meaning habitats. Junior 3, anything around us containing living organisms and non-living things, they are called habitats. Living things like humans are living organisms. Plant, living organisms. Animals, living organisms. But is called anything else is called non-living, like air, water, chair, door, table. All of these are called non-living things. So any place containing living and non-living is called, yes, habitat. So habitat are consists of living organisms and non-living things. So write habitat. Number 2, the weather is what and what in the polar habitat. Yes, the weather is cold and windy. Cold and windy. So the weather is, yes, cold and windy in the polar habitat. Cold and windy. Junior 3. In the polar habitat where the ice cover most of it, the weather is cold and windy, and the animals that live in the polar habitat, like whales, polar bear, and penguin, the plants that can find in the polar habitat, like moss and shrubs. Okay. Number 3, which are live in the grassland habitat. Yes, yes, rabbits and lions. Grassland habitat, like rabbits and lion. Okay, junior 3. We said number 3, lions and rabbits are live in the grasslands habitat. After that, number 4, the plants grow at the top or under the water. On, yes, we can find the plant at the top or under the water in the wetlands habitat. So right, wetland. Number 5, the peel is removed in, yes, we said we have fresh grapes وprocessed grapes. الفريش grapes has natural sugar, but the processed grapes have extra sugar. The fresh grapes, the peel have a lot of nutrients, but the peel in the processed grapes is removed, so lots of nutrients are lost. But fresh grapes and processed grapes have containing water, so the peel is removed in, yes, processed grapes. Nuts are rich with vitamin, yes, P. We have vitamin A in carrots, which is good for our eyes, vitamin B in nuts, vitamin C in orange and guava. Junior 3, we will finish the revision sheet. I wish all of you best of luck. Thank you.